In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename or delete a property group in Hubspot. Whether you're fresh to Hubspot or an existing user looking to tidy up your management system, I'll guide you through these essential steps. Let's dive in and make this process smooth and efficient. The first thing you need to do is head over to Hubspot's homepage. If you're not familiar with the URL, just open your browser and type in hubspot.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. It's important to have your login credentials ready. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but for those who do, logging in will bring you to the Hubspot home interface. Once you're logged into your account successfully, navigate to the settings by clicking on the settings icon. You can typically find this icon in the upper right section of your dashboard. Upon entering the settings, you'll notice a variety of options tailored to personalizing and organizing your workspace. However, our focus today is on properties. So look around for the properties option on the left side of the settings menu, then click on it. Now that you're in the properties menu, it's time to locate and select the property group that you wish to rename or delete. For those unfamiliar, property groups help organize your property settings, making it easier to manage data fields relevant to your business needs. Once you have found the specific property group, click on Edit Property. This can generally be found adjacent to your chosen property name or in the drop-down options. At this stage, decide what action you wish to take. If your goal is to rename the property label, find and click on Property Label. You'll have the opportunity here to type in a new name. Be sure to choose a name that clearly describes the function or data type of the property to aid in future data management and user understanding. If deleting is what you're after, most interfaces have a delete option visible once you're in the edit mode. Proceed with caution here, ensure that you no longer need this particular property group, as deletion may remove associated data points or configurations. In either scenario, once you have made the necessary adjustments, remember to save your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that your modifications are applied and stored in HubSpot's system, and that covers our steps for renaming or deleting a property group in HubSpot. With practice, these tasks become second nature, enhancing the organization and efficiency of your HubSpot operations. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and streamlined for you. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.